We are basically from Bangalore, and we are majorly into garment manufacturers. So wherein we have a 15 years experience in garment making, and we have a 2000 missions factory in Bangalore. So we are like, as we are into garment making, we always used to find some issues when it comes to production line, when it's for automation or any other ways where we can reduce the skilled labor, where we can make the production the best quality. So we always having the deficit of not able to find the right machine for our manufacturing. So that is then and where 4 years before we thought like we wanted to do some R&D on this. So we started a R&D facility in Taizhou, China, and one in Bangalore. So we have a team of 26 people who does this R&D when it comes to the missions. So when we found one of the solutions for every of the automations, like when it comes to shirt making or the trouser making, then we wanted to have those missions in our factories for doing the production and want to test how reliable those missions are. That is where Debmac has started. And we have our Chinese counterparts, Dulipu, and they are one of the proud manufacturers of saving missions in China. And we are proudly associated with them as a sole agent for India. And we are launching Dulipu missions all over India and Debmac into complete automation. When it comes to Debmac automation, we have an entire range for shirts, shirt automation, and as well as for the denim automation and casual trousers which are non-denims. We have the complete automation solution for that.
This machine just replaced hours of manual work in seconds. In garment production, the smallest steps often take the most time. Draw cord insertion, now transformed through smart automation. The auto draw card inserting machine handles the process with speed, accuracy, and consistent results every time. No repetitive manual effort, no interruptions in workflow. Just a smoother production line that moves faster and works smarter.
The range of the machines, automations, if you talk, we have the machines which we have completely tested and understood how efficient is the machine. First, once we develop a machine, we will first keep it in our factory and we will run the production with the machines. And we will get to know whether the machine is successful for the market or not. If we find any issues in the machines, we will find a solution for it. We find to adjust those machines and we find to make a fine tune of it. And then we will start sending it to the market.
When precision meets automation, productivity reaches a new level. Introducing the Debmac Auto Pocket Welt Machine, designed to simplify and accelerate pocket welt production in modern garment manufacturing. Built with advanced automation, the machine ensures perfectly aligned pocket welts with consistent stitching and clean finishing.
When you ask me, there are only two major issues when it comes to garment manufacturing, is skilled labor and the quality. Quality and skilled labor is only the two major concerns when it comes to garment making. And to avoid that, we need to have the best automations wherein we can reduce the skilled labor efficiency in that, and we can have the best quality output for the entire day's production. We were like a little hesitant, like whether we are going to be, people will appreciate us, we are a new brand, how we are going to look into it. But the way people are coming and talking to us and understanding what we are, and they are so happy that they have involved with somebody who are into production line and they can help us out in finding a solutions in any of the issues what they are facing. In fact, we are helping them in facing what are the, it's not like we are selling our machines here, we are just selling them the right product for the production.
Every operation is optimized to reduce manual intervention and improve production efficiency. Engineered with robust technology, the system delivers reliable performance even in high-volume manufacturing environments. Designed to deliver speed, consistency, and durability, helping manufacturers achieve better quality output while optimizing time and labor.
We wanted to have the best service centers in all regions of north, south, east and western part of the country, and as well as in the middle of the nation. And when we have our own service engineers, and we wanted to keep whatever the missions we are supplying in those regions, we wanted to keep the demo missions available in our experience centers in those regions. So the reason why we wanted to keep our demo missions in the experience center is, the missions what majorly we are supplying, we wanted to increase the number of demo missions in our warehouses there. So that if any time we are 100% sure like we are going to give the best machines in the market. And if in case, if any breakdown happens in any of the machines, the factory's production should not stop. Me being from a production line, the production should never stop. We wanted to send our replacement machines immediately to the factories and make the production line run till the time our technicians reaches there and solve the existing mission what they have in their factories. And that is going to be a game changer as of we understood.
Automation driven by precision creates a new standard for productivity. Auto Snap Button Machine, engineered to simplify and enhance snap button fastening in modern garment production. Powered by intelligent automation, the system ensures precise button placement with uniform pressure and clean finishing. Each step is engineered to minimize manual handling while maintaining smooth production flow. Created to deliver precision, speed, and long-term stability.
Dulipu is one of the top 5 brands in China, and they were like, we understood the mission internally very deep. So when we compare with any other existing brands, global brands in the country, we check the spares they have used inside and the amount of the parts, the longevity of those parts. We have had a clear vision. We have analyzed each and everything because we know what are the breakable parts generally when it comes to the mass production. So those parts, how are they compared to any other XYZ brands? How good their parts are, their spares are. So when you understood all that, we felt like, yes, this mission has that potentiality wherein they can give the best product. And that can be at a cost efficient way compared to any other brands, so that we'll have the best mission at a better price compared to other brands. That is the main reason why I wanted Dulipu to get into Indian market. As well as when it comes to Debmac, Debmac is, as I said, it's like an automated setup of Debmac. Automation, there are many micro parts which are involved in it, and as we are there from 4 years, we are able to launch only few products of automation, which is a solution for when it comes to the shirt and trousers. Each and every part has been precisely checked by our team, and we are using the best available spares, and if it is not available, we ourselves are making that spare according to the metals available in the market, wherein we have the longevity of the machine increases every day.